Yo soy teacher Catalina, and I'm here to teach you Spanish. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves, in Spanish, of course. By the end of this episode, you will be able to introduce yourself in Spanish and also understand if somebody introduces themselves to you. ¿Estás listo?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Muy bien. So let me show you how to do this in Spanish.
Let's hear it.
Vamos. The first thing that most people do when they meet somebody else is to start off with a greeting. So let's start with that part. Let's focus on an informal greeting for now. So typically we would say something like this. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Very good. The answer, a typical answer would be, estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Fantastic. And then the next person will say something along the lines of, muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. Excellent. You have the greeting down. So after that greeting takes place, most likely we're going to go ahead and exchange our names. So I would say something like, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Excellent. And a common answer would be, me llamo Catalina. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Catalina. ¿Y tú? Very good. And then the next person would answer with their name, following kind of like the same pattern we just saw. Me llamo Teacher Catalina. Me llamo Teacher Catalina. And that's generally when you will most likely shake hands and kind of say nice to meet them. So you would say, mucho gusto. And the other person would say, el gusto es mío. Mucho gusto. Very good. El gusto es mío. Excellent. And then we can even close it up with encantada if I am a girl, or encantado if I am a guy. So let's go through that a little bit more in depth. Mucho gusto. It kind of loosely translates into nice to meet you, my pleasure to meet you. And the other person says, el gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. The pleasure is mine to meet you. Encantado or encantada is something that we use to say, I'm enchanted. I'm enchanted to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. So now that you know how to greet somebody and how to introduce yourself and how to say you're happy to meet them, let's take a look at how that exchange would go. ¿Listos? Vamos. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, muy bien. ¿Y tú? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Teacher Catalina. ¿Y tú? Yo me llamo Catalina. Mucho gusto. El gusto es mío. Encantada. Were you able to follow along? Very good. I knew you would. Again, this is just a matter of practice. So go ahead and play and replay this video as many times as you want and focus on that pronunciation. Eventually, it will be natural to you. If you're new to my channel, I have a lot of lessons on vocabulary, grammar, culture, and a lot of other things. So go ahead and go to the channel and click subscribe so you don't miss any lessons. I am so glad you joined me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Adios!